Hello, out on my own today because I'm taking the new drone out for a test flight. I'm going to go to a couple of locations, give it a go and see how I get on. Stay with the vlog until the end because I'm going to do a drone giveaway. You will have to subscribe to be fair to the subscribers and leave a comment. So let's go and get it in the air and a bit of filming with it and see what we think.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
The world from the place beneath the willow, So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow.
Flew in a couple of locations as you saw, but it is so easy to fly, and then when you finish using it you just press the return home button and then it goes back and lands exactly where it took off. So couldn't be any better than that. Right, so the giveaway, here it is. Oh, nearly wasn't. Here it is, the drone. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and leave a comment. It can be any comment, but included in that comment must be "I want the drone." And then what we'll do, a week on Friday, that's the 14th of August, we will vlog it while we choose the winner. So let's go into it in a little more detail. Here it is. It's a fairly hard box, it comes as standard with this drone. And let's have a look inside. So obviously you have the drone here. First of all, let's take a look at the controller. Now there's a couple of good features on this controller. Two in fact that I like. One is return home. So if you're flying it and using GPS, if you're flying it and you get into a bit of difficulty or you just want it to come home, press the return button and it flies back and lands exactly where you took it off from. So that's great. And the other one is follow me. If you put it in the follow me mode, if you walk along, it'll follow you. Whichever height you choose to have it, it'll follow you, which is pretty cool. Even in a vehicle you can do that, so that's great. The other thing on the controller, this is only going to be a basic show you because if you win it you can have a look yourself. The bottom part of this controller pulls out like that, like so, and your phone fits in there, which I'm just going to do now. It connects to the controller and you can see through the camera on the phone as it's flying along. So like I said, there's a couple of great features on it. It does use GPS, and it's got the follow me and the return, which will bring it back to where you took it off from so that you don't lose it. Now the other thing, of course, is the drone itself here, and it, as I say, it has the camera on the front. You can angle the camera to where you want it, and the arms just fold out just like. Now there are a couple of scuffs there because I did try it, but that's not a problem. I'll show you why in a moment. They're not damaged, but there it is. That's the drone. So that's what you'll be getting. And like I say, there's a couple of scuffs on there, but they're not broken, so they'll be fine. Just want to quickly show you through this. There we are. Fold it back up again, and that goes neatly back into the hard case there. The controller obviously sits back in there. Now in the top here, in this top piece, there are some protectors for the blades here. So if you're flying it indoors particularly, they're perfect for that. So in here there are some spare blades, as you can see, a little mini screwdriver and some bottom pieces for the motors there, spare ones of those. More blades there and more blades there. So there's plenty of blades, and as I say, they're very easy to replace. And inside there's a little bit of information here about the drone. And I can't remember, yeah, there it is. And using either Google Play or the App Store, all you do is use your QR reader, take a picture of that, and that'll give you the app straight away. So it couldn't be easier. As you saw, that's what you'll get on your phone, which is what I had on mine that I opened. Excuse me. So there you go. Like I said, all you need to do is to subscribe, share if you could, that would be fantastic, and leave a comment, any comment, but within that comment, just put I want the drone, and then a week on Friday, the 14th of August, we'll do a draw, and whoever wins it, I'll send it off to you free of charge. Let's just shut it back up again. So zip that. It all fits in there nicely. Zip it up with a nice little carry handle. So there you go. Don't forget, you must subscribe, leave a comment, any comment. Included within that comment must be I want the drone. We'll do the draw on Friday the 14th of August. We'll vlog that as quickly as we can and get the winner's name out. All you need to do then is, well, we'll let you know to contact us, and then we'll post it off to you. So good luck and happy flying.